Use this to avoid your child from electrical shock. Every outlet inside our house is a threat to our child. Whether they put their finger on the outlet or put any object, so we must make ways to prevent any accident that can possibly happen. Use any baby wet wipes that has this plastic cover. You can buy this at the mall, grocery store, and even at Shopee Mall. Collect any of this so that you could use this for future use and do not throw away when emptied. So first is we need to take this plastic cover from its container. Yes, because for every mommy, titos there that has a child in their house, please take good care of our children inside the house so that they will not have any accident that could cause electrical shock. So that's it. So it has an adhesive at the back and a cute cover in front. We can see any outlet inside our home, whether it's in kitchen, bathroom, in our living room or bedroom. First, we need to clean the outlet. Use wet tissue so that the dirt will be taken away, and use dry tissue paper so that it would be dry and the adhesive will be attached so easily. The next is attach this plastic cover to the outlet as a plastic cover so that our child would be protected from any electrical shock. So that's it. This is our easy DIY outlet cover. You can do this at home using this wet tissue plastic cover and attach it to any outlet you have at home. So collect any of this wet tissue that you can buy at the supermarket or grocery store and use it for future use for the outlets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates to our new videos.